So today's topic that we'll talk about is laser. Actually, it should not be written like this. The laser should be written as LASER in capital. Why capital? Because laser is an acronym. Acronym matlab short form. For example, BTech, B dot TECH dot, like this. B is Bachelor of Engineering. Similarly, laser is acronym. And what does it stands for? So it's LASER, and it stands for is L is light, as you know. A is amplification. Amplification. Off. There is small off. Sorry, not off. By light amplification by stimulated stimulated emission of radiation. आप साथ साथ ये नोट्स भी लिख सकते हैं. Emission of radiation. So what does this mean? Light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Now we'll start with the last letter first, that is the radiation. We'll see what is with the radiation first, then we'll go for the emission and then stimulated emission. Okay, and lastly we'll see how the light get amplified. So this is 4 steps, from which we'll start with radiation. Now suppose suppose you have to transfer the energy, any kind of energy, doesn't matter, maybe heat, maybe light, maybe anything else, from one position to the other position. So what are the possible ways you can transfer the energy? I hope you have already studied this. Let us consider heat, for example.
Conduction, convention,
Yes. And radiation. You are right.
and
So first one is conduction. Very correct. The second one is convection. And the third one is radiation. So first, let us see what is conduction. What is conduction? कोई एग्जांपल है आपके पास कंडक्शन का? For example, if you have suppose a rod or plate, metal plate specifically, rod or metal, rod or plate, and you heat this rod. Of course, I am just showing the candle, but it is not candle. You are using some kind of source to heat it. Now you are heating at point say A. What will happen at point B? After a short time, it depends on how much you are heating, what kind of material you are using. This B will also get warm or hot, right? That means this energy, the heat energy, has transferred from point A to point B. That is via conduction. Conduction means the atoms inside the material, they will conduct the heat. They will conduct. How they will conduct? They will just transfer the heat from first position to second, second to third, third to fourth, and so on. Okay. At any place, the atom is not going to move from place A to place B. Are you getting this point? So this is just like passing the parcel, right? You are not moving from your position. You are just passing the parcel, right? Now, when you do like this, that means the energy is transferred, but the mass is not transferred. This is the main difference between these three processes. where sometimes it is mass is transferred, sometimes mass is not transferred. Okay. So this is about the conduction, and for conduction normally we need the material. So material medium is necessary. Material medium is absolutely necessary. Okay, you cannot conduct heat in vacuum. It is not possible. Okay. Now, how about convection? Convection का कोई example है? Conduction is simply you are heating something, okay? Some rod, some place. Okay. Convection का कोई example है आपके पास? नहीं? Suppose you have the vessel in which you have put some water. Okay. And now you are heating this water. With some gas. Now, which particle will get the heat first? Obviously, the bottom, right? Now, if the bottom particle gets the heat, they will get heat up, they will increase their temperature. What will happen next? इसके बाद क्या होगा?
They will
दोनों
rise up.
पार्टिकल नीचे रहेंगे और ऊपर ऊपर रहेंगे, ऊपर ठंडा रहेगा, नीचे गर्म रहेगा. ऐसा होता है?
Particles will rise up.
Particles will rise up. Yes, the particle will move in upward direction. The hot particles. So this is hot particle. Okay. Okay, let me take this red. So these particles, red particles, will start moving up. Why they will move up? वो तो हीट मिल गई ना, अब क्यों ऊपर जा रहे हो?
They have high kinetic energy.
Yeah, but then they can go at the bottom. Why do they need to go to upward? हाई काइनेटिक एनर्जी है, ठीक है, वो नीचे घूम सकते हैं, ऊपर क्यों जा रहे हैं? बाकी लोगों के पास भी माइक है ना?
They are lighter in weight.
No, they are not lighter in weight. They become lighter in
They
weight.
become.
They are not. Lighter होते तो पहले चले जाते, right? So as soon as they get heat, they will become lighter. The density of hot water is less as compared to the density of cold water. तो ये जो cold वाले हैं, ठीक है, cold वाले green से दिखा, ठीक है, तो ये नीचे आएंगे because their density is higher. And literally, if you have suppose the glass beaker, then you can see this process going on. This is convection. Now, why this is convection? Because the energy is transferred, no matter. Mass is also moving from one place to the other, right? So it is something like, say, for example, um, it is not passing the parcel. You are actually moving with the parcel, just like rugby. You know rugby? रग्बी में शाहरुख खान का मूवी था ना, रग्बी में बॉल
Yes,
हाथ
हाँ.
में लेकर घूमते हैं, ठीक है. So it is something like that. You yourself are moving with the energy, and of course it needs medium. इसके लिए भी मीडियम जरूरी है, ठीक है. These are the two ways in which you can transfer the energy from one part to the other part where medium is necessary, absolutely necessary. How about radiation? Radiation में क्या होता है? For example, sun and this is earth. Wow. And the sun is sending some heat. You can feel the heat. Okay? In the afternoon, you feel more heat. So how that heat is coming to the earth? Because there is no medium in between. There is absolutely no medium. It's vacuum, right? कैसे आते हैं? there is no possibility of conduction or convection. Are you getting this point? There is no possibility of conduction or convection. There is only a possibility of radiation. Now, this radiation is in terms of light. So the light may be, when you talk about light, the most confusing thing is that light wavelength or the frequency or the color is something like V, I, B, G, Y, O, R. Am I right? Any doubt? Light has this much color. Are you agree with this? Do you agree with it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Any objection? तो फिजिक्स की क्लास में
No,
बैठे हो
sir.
तो ऑब्जेक्शन लेना ही चाहिए. अगर ऐसा है तो ये IR और फिर माइक्रोवेव.
So apart from ultraviolet and infrared,
Okay.
so visible light with
This is just a part of light which is visible. Okay. Only this part is visible. That is because it is the problem of human eye. It is not the problem of light itself. Okay. You cannot see the infrared unless you put some goggles, infrared goggles. Okay. You cannot see the microwave. You cannot see the ultraviolet. अगर हम इधर जाते हैं तो देन एक्स रेज, गैमा रेज एक्सेट्रा. इधर अगर जाते हैं तो देन रेडियो वेव्स. तो हम देख नहीं पाते रेडियो वेव्स. वी कैन फील इट विथ इंस्ट्रूमेंट. यू कैन जस्ट फाइंड इट आउट. तो रेडियो वेव्स अभी अभी इस वक्त आपके मोबाइल के पास रेडियो वेव्स है, राइट? Since I am talking, since you are listening to this or watching to this lecture, it is just because of the radio waves. आपको जो वेव्स आ रही है और उस वेव्स के माध्यम से आप ये सब सीख रहे हैं. So you should be thankful to these radio waves. Okay. So if somebody asks you what is light, then light is a small part of light is visible. So visible and invisible radiation is the light. Okay. You feel very hot during the summer, right? Which of these radiations do you feel that you feel hot? Any idea? ये बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत ही जरूरी है. आपको क्या लगता है कि इसके
अल्ट्रावायलेट.
ओके, वन आंसर इज अल्ट्रावायलेट. किसने आंसर दिया था? आई एम सीइंग दैट white board, so I was not able to see. Any other answer? सभी को ऐसा लगता है कि अल्ट्रावायलेट की वजह से ये गर्मी होती है हमें.
सर गामा रेज.
गामा रेज, ओके. और unfortunately that is not right. UV, X-ray and gamma, they will penetrate directly.
infrared.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Infrared will heat up. ठीक है. जो गर्मी होती है वो इंफ्रारेड की वजह से होती है और इसकी वजह से नहीं, यूवी की वजह से नहीं. यूवी की वजह से your skin will get damaged. ठीक है. So what are the sunscreen you are using? Sunscreen, cream. Okay. Sun cream. Whatever you are using is to protect your skin from UV. You cannot protect yourself from IR. It will heat up. ठीक है. समझ में आ रहा है? और हीटिंग माइक्रोवेव की वजह से भी होती है. And that's why we have the microwave oven which heats the water. Okay. Now coming back to radiation. So which radiation you should use for laser? So initially it was the microwave. Later on, people studied and they shifted to infrared. Then they shifted to red, and then to yellow or green and blue, and then slowly to UV. Because it is very easy for getting the laser system from microwave and IR rather than the UV. Okay. So if you talk about, say, for example, uh, energy, and obviously energy and frequency are having the same direction, and the wavelength will have the different direction. So I have drawn the two lines. Okay, let me go for another color, so that will be much easier to understand. Okay, yellow. Okay. And then yellow goes to, say, left hand side, and green goes to the right hand side. Okay. So what is green? Whether it is energy or wavelength, it is increasing on right hand side. So what is increasing on right hand side? Whether the energy is increasing or the uh, wavelength is increasing. Yes, you have only two options. So energy and wavelength, E and lambda. And we know that E equal to H C H nu, and that is equal to H C over lambda. So obviously if the energy is increasing, that means the wavelength will decrease. So that's why we have the inverse relation. तो यूवी की एनर्जी ज्यादा होती है कि आईआर की ज्यादा होती है? और यू कैन टॉक अबाउट वायलेट एंड रेड. So whose energy is more, red or violet?
Red.
Red has higher energy. Anybody else? Okay, what is the wavelength of red in general? What is the approximately? What is the range of red wavelength? आप लोगों ने 12th में पढ़ा होगा. रेड कलर होता है somewhere around 7, yes, 700 nanometer or 7000 angstrom, whereas the violet is about 300 nanometer. तो ये हर एक बुक में अलग अलग नंबर आएगा, but we are just talking about approximation. Okay, so the wavelength is smaller for the violet, and the red, it has more wavelength. IR will be again more. So microwave will be more wavelength. Okay, and radio waves. Okay, microwave means micro में आएगा वो. ठीक है. Now, if you talk about the green color, that means the wavelength is increasing. ठीक है, wavelength बढ़ता जा रहा है. So this green will be lambda, whereas the yellow will be the energy. Remember, IR की energy कम होती है, लेकिन that is more creating heating effect than the UV, where UV has more energy. एनर्जी का और इंटेंसिटी का कंफ्यूजन दूर कर लो. ठीक है. व्हाट इज मीन बाय एनर्जी? एनर्जी इज समथिंग, फॉर एग्जांपल, आई कैन शो यू ऑन स्क्रीन. So that is the best example actually. तो अगर आपके चिक पे कोई ऐसे धीरे 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 टैप करे, ठीक है, so that is small energy for short time, okay, or for long time, short time number of times. Okay? ये समझ में आ रहा है एग्जांपल? जैसे हम छोटे बच्चे को करते हैं, चिक पे ऐसे थोड़ा थोड़ा हल्का सा मारा ऐसा लगता है. ठीक है. Now suppose that whole energy, small number of steps are given in only one step. उतनी पूरी एनर्जी एक ही स्टेप में दे दी, क्या होगा? छप जाएंगे उंगलियां छप जाएगी, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट इट इज, इंटेंसिटी। समझ में आ गया? अगर आपको कोई थोड़ा सा धक्का देता है, धीरे 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 धक्का दे रहा है, तो दैट इज एवरेज, एवरेज पावर और एवरेज इंटेंसिटी और समथिंग लाइक दैट। और एक ही टाइम पे दे देता है, इट इज हाईली इंटेंस। आगे रन में, so it doesn't matter if the energy is small or it is high, ठीक है? What matters is whether it is given in one step or number of small steps. Okay? The intensity is what that matters. So we have come to radiation, and how do we get radiation in atom? एटम में आपको रेडिएशन कैसे मिलता है? अब कल मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन पूछा था कि बोर्स थ्योरी का पोस्टुलेट पढ़ लेना। बोर्स थर्ड पोस्टुलेट क्या है, कोई बता सकता है? अगर आपके सामने बुक है, यू कैन सी द बुक, यू कैन गूगल, यू कैन टेल मी व्हाट इज बोर्स थर्ड पोस्टुलेट।
Energy conservation.
What type of conservation? Energy conservation is something like energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can transfer from one form to the other form. That is thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics. What Bohr told.
Atoms gain or lose energy by absorbing or emitting the photons of discrete energy.
Right. Absolutely right. Now, what is meant by discrete? ठीक है? ये अगर
Individually separated.
energy levels है E2 और E1, then what are the energy you give here in terms of say light or heat or electricity? Doesn't matter. Okay, we are taking for example the LED light. LED light, if you consider, then we need an electric signal or electric power to give this. Okay, for example, if we have the tungsten, then we normally give the heat. टंगस्टन लैम्प जो पुराने आते थे, अभी भी आते हैं, उसमें हीट गेट कन्वर्टेड, electricity get converted to heat and heat get converted to light. So the output is light. We don't know about the input. Input may be sometimes it is electric, sometimes heat, sometimes chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. What is the example of chemical reaction? दिवाली में पटाखे छोड़ते हैं ना? So all the crackers, they will, those who give the light, there will be some chemical energy, and the chemical energy gets converted to light. Now, depending upon the atom, suppose this energy, say h nu, okay, is of three types. What are the energy you are giving as three different quantities? So first is the green, and this green is h nu is greater than E2 minus E1. मतलब अगर ये फोटोन हम कंसीडर करते हैं तो ऐसा है, ठीक है? सपोज देयर इज अनदर एनर्जी व्हिच इज येलो, येलो इज लेस देन दिस E2 minus E1, येलो h nu is less than E2 minus E1. So this green one is say 1 and this yellow is say 2, and there is another option of this multicolor. Is it visible? So that multicolor is h nu exactly equal to E2 minus 1. ठीक है? So this is position number 3. Now tell me, if there are 3 radiations that are incident on this atomic system, so E1 and E2, which one of them will get absorbed? Tell me, which one of them will get absorbed? What is your logical answer? Yes? Gokul, are you saying something? I cannot hear. Hello? Anybody else? Anybody other than Ninad? Because he is only the speaker now. He is only speaking. Let me go one by one. Akshit Satone. Akshit, are you there? So that is the disadvantage of this meeting. I can just call anyone. Aman Shukla. And if you don't respond, then I will not be able to say that you are present. Okay, go ahead. Tejas Jadhav has left. Okay, Atharva Gire.
Sir, green light.
Ayush has given the answer that green light will be absorbed. Okay, so this is one answer. Any other? Chetan, what do you think? चेतन सागरकर है कि नहीं मीटिंग में?
Sir, presenting screen gone black.
Completely black?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now it's visible.
Okay. Actually, I minimize it. Okay. If the screen is minimized, then it will not be visible. Yes. Now tell me. Okay.
Sir, yellow.
Yeah, Akshit, please go ahead.
Sir, yellow because wavelength is
Yellow is, I think, smaller than this difference. Yes. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now let me give the general life example. That's why physics should be learned in real sense, like general life examples, similes, which are called. That should be understood. Okay. Now suppose there is a small kid who like only bourbon biscuits. Okay, and the bourbon costs say 20 rupees. Now, if you offer him the suppose Parle-G of 10 rupees, and he will say yes or no?
No.
No, absolutely. He will say no, I don't want this. I want only bourbon. Right? Now you offer him the biscuit which are higher cost. Sorry, the cost is much higher. Let's say 50 rupees. Okay. Will that kid accept it?
He can be.
Can be. That means you don't have enough experience with kids. Okay. He will not accept. You see, the kids, small kids, they accept only that thing which they want. That's it. I want bourbon means I want bourbon. That's it. Are you
No, sir,
getting
he
it?
will not accept.
So he will not accept it doesn't matter to that kid whether it is 50 rupees or 10 rupees or 20 rupees or anything else. Okay. You might have experience. चॉकलेट भी देते हैं तो 10 रुपए की चॉकलेट है तो ठीक है, और आप बड़ा सा बिस्किट का डिब्बा देंगे तो नहीं बोलेंगे, because for his choice it is the chocolate or it is the bourbon, right? Similarly, why this example is important? Because similarly, if you talk about say the green light, green color, okay, the energy difference is much higher, okay, here. So this is something like 50 rupees. Okay. For yellow, it is less than that. So this is something like 10 rupees. It will not accept this. It will not accept this. Okay. So you should remember always that it will accept only that energy which is of the order of E2 minus E1. That's it only. I want this. I want this. That's it. मराठी में एक कहावत है ना, खाई तो तुपाची नहीं तो उपाची. I want this only. I don't want more, I don't want less. That is how the atoms behave. Okay. Now, for the atoms, there will be three processes. Sorry, two processes for spontaneous emission. Again, we'll go for this energy E2 and E1. And when you give the energy, now this energy has to be H nu must be equal to E2 minus E1. Then and only then the electron or the atom at the ground state, this one, then this electron will absorb this energy and it will go to energy E2. Okay. And after some time, how much time? This is called as lifetime of this energy level, which is normally 1 nanosecond. So after the lifetime of 1 nanosecond, this electron will jump down. And when it jumps down, we get another photon of the same energy h nu, which is equal to E2 minus E1. So there are two processes. First one is this one is called as absorption. The second one is called as emission. Okay. So there should be absorption of photon, absorption. Then only we can get the emission. Clear? Read out. So this is typical time period. So the time period, the lifetime of that level may be slightly more, slightly less. It depends on the energy. Okay. Now why it is so? For example, if there is a swimming pool here, okay, and there is a tower here, from where you can just jump, okay, and then you just go up by the steps and you stay here. How much long you will stay here? Any idea? अगर आपको ऐसे स्विमिंग पूल पे खड़ा कर दिया जाए तो आप कितनी देर खड़े रहेंगे? Yes, anyone? Okay, let me go.
Few
2
seconds.
seconds. Okay, let me go to some
2
girls.
minutes.
Very. Saurabh, what you said?
Few minutes, sir.
Few minutes. Okay, Ninad.
Until I get the perspective where to jump.
Okay, Gokul.
Sir, few minutes.
Few minutes. Okay. Let me go to some girls. Vedika. Vedika Date. Are you there? Hey. Vedanti Ingole.
Sir, few minutes.
Few minutes. Okay. On what factor it will depend? कोई बोल रहा है कि few seconds, कोई बोल रहा है few minutes. Sakshi Misar. On what factor it depends? Sakshi Misar, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो आप कितना देर खड़े रहेंगे? It depends on you. Doesn't matter. ये किस चीज पे डिपेंड है? जिसको स्विमिंग आता है वो 1 सेकंड में नीचे आ जाएगा, और जिसको स्विमिंग नहीं आता तो डर लग रहा है पानी से, he will take some time, more time, right? The same example you have to remember.
Yes, sir.
Same example you have to remember here. If you are novice means you are not expert. Okay, so you will take more time. So that lifetime, for how much time you will be here on this plank, so that lifetime will be more. If you are expert, the lifetime will be less. Similarly, for electrons, if the lifetime of that energy level is more, they will stay for longer time. Whereas if the the lifetime of that energy level is short, they will immediately come back. Okay? 1 nanosecond is very less. So, पलक झपकते की जैसे बोलते हैं ना, that is what that 1 nanosecond is. Now, what will happen if we have such kind of situation? Now, I will share another screen with you. And where is my meeting? Okay, stop, and then I will go again for another window. And that, okay. Okay, can you see this window now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this 1 and 2, these are the states, okay, energy level.
Sir, black.
Black or right?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. It's
It's
visible.
visible. It's visible. Okay. So what is this 1 and 2? You can see on the right hand side. Cursor दिख रहा है आपको? So this one is the energy level
Yes.
state. Okay. Ground state. जिसे हम कह सकते हैं E1. And this red one is the E2. High state. And now we are giving energy to this state 1. Once that you can see that red photon is coming, and when that one state accept the photon, it goes to state 2, energy state 2. Okay. Here on right hand side, you can see the electron is now jumping up to state level 2. Okay. And then it comes back from 2 to 1. Now see here, now 2 to 1, when it comes back, it gives out the photon. Are you getting this point? पहले वो absorb करेगा.
Yes, sir.
This is absorption. Okay. And now this is emission. यहाँ से जो बाहर निकल रहा है, this is emission. Okay. Now, let us try to change the energy level. अब देखो. Now the energy is, whatever the energy is incident, it is shown by this wavy structure. It is less as compared to the energy level. That is what we are talking about. Okay. Suppose I reduce this energy level down. अब देखो, फिर भी absorption नहीं हो रहा, right? So the photon is going undeviated without the absorption. So the absorption will take place only when this energy difference is exactly equal to the incoming photon, or the wavelength of incoming photon is same as that of the energy difference between these two levels. Okay, यहाँ पे अभी हो रहा है. Now we increase the lamp control. We are sending now more and more photons. Okay. Now there is only one atom. Now we can talk about large number of atoms. Okay, multiple atoms, and then we increase the frequency. Sorry, the intensity. Okay, intensity means number of photons, and we talk about only two states right now. Okay. Now what is expected? Now here you can see that blue color light is incident. Okay. So there are blue photons, but none of them is getting absorbed. So once we reduce this size to the, so the frequency has to be in this order. Now you can see there is absorption, there is emission. There is absorption, there is emission. Right? Up till now we have not talked about the laser. Are you getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again,
Yes.
again we'll go back to the our previous black screen. Okay, and then I will explain the another type of emission. We know that of absorption. Now we'll go to emission. So I hope now this screen is visible, black screen. And now
Yes, sir.
we have one absorption process. This is E2, this is E1. There is incoming photon, and this electron goes from level 1 to level 2. Okay. There is another process where there is no incoming photon. Okay. The energy levels are same, E2, E1. Now this photon, sorry, the electron which is in the excited state E2 after the lifetime. After the lifetime, it will jump back. Once it jumps back, we get the photon. Is that clear? So this is absorption, and this is emission. Now, since it is happening spontaneously, spontaneous means, what is spontaneous?
Immediately.
Immediately. Okay.
Quick action.
Okay. Very good. अगर मान लो कि आप
Very fast.
वेरी फास्ट, मतलब बिफोर यू कैन थिंक, जैसे मान लो कि एक चींटी ने आपको काट लिया, आपको ये सोचना नहीं पड़ता अरे ये चींटी ने मुझे काटा, अब मैं सोचता हूँ कि इसका क्या करूँ, फिर वो सोचने के बाद आप अप्लाई करेंगे, नहीं, इमीडिएटली यू जस्ट से ओ गो अवे। ठीक है, इस टाइप का जो एक्शन होता है, रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन, आपने बायोलॉजी में पढ़ा होगा। सेम थिंग इज हैपनिंग हियर, स्पॉन्टेनियसली, कोई उसमें ये नहीं है, फोर्स नहीं है बाहर का। ओके, so if somebody gives you mobile, you spontaneously start watching YouTube or you start playing the game spontaneously. Study is not spontaneous. Study is not spontaneous, right? Study is, you have to force the study. Somebody has to force. जब तक ये फोर्स नहीं होता तब तक आप स्टडी नहीं करते। No, that is called as stimulated. Stimulus पता है आपको? बायोलॉजी में पढ़ा होगा स्टिमुलस।
Yes, sir.
अगर मान लो कि 3-4 लोग बैठे हैं बस में, और 3 लोग बैठे, आपको चौथी सीट चाहिए, तो अपने आप नहीं मिलती, राइट? कॉन्टिन्यूसली होता है क्या? कोई बोलता है अरे 3 लोग बैठे, अरे आ जाओ चौथा बैठ जाओ, अनलेस यू आर फ्रेंड्स, यू हैव टू स्टिमुलेट, थोड़ा साइड में हो जाओ, जगह दे दो, समथिंग लाइक दिस। ओके, नाउ हियर व्हाट इज द स्टिमुलस emission? This is the most important part of lesson. Now we have come across, okay, let me show you once again. This is the laser. Okay, we have seen the radiation, we have seen the emission, the second step. Now the third step, stimulated emission. So let us see what is stimulated emission. So again, there are two levels, E1 and E2, and by the process of, say, absorption, there is already one electron waiting here. Okay, let me go for green. Okay, there is one electron waiting here, and another one, and another one, and another one. These are all electrons. Here we will talk about electron or atom as the same, because mostly almost one electron per atom is excited. Okay. Now, if they are staying for longer time, okay, again we go back to this swimming pool example. So now suppose you are novice, अब क्या होगा? आप यहाँ पे खड़े, 1 मिनट हो गया, 2 मिनट हो गए, 5 मिनट हो गए, बाकी नीचे लोग वेट कर रहे हैं, अब क्या हो सकता है? यस, जस्ट थिंक, lateral thinking. Anyone? क्या क्या पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती?
They forced to jump us.
हाँ, यस, प्लीज रिपीट।
They forced to jump us.
यस, दे फोर्स टू जंप। तो नीचे से या तो आप चिल्लाएंगे अरे आ जाओ भाई, जंप मारो, ओके, और देयर इज अनदर पॉसिबिलिटी दैट समबडी एल्स विल गो हियर, some expert, and he will say okay, don't worry, I am the expert, and he will jump you, he will push you, and both will jump down. ओके, चलो साथ में जंप करते हैं, छोटे बच्चे ऐसे करते हैं, ठीक है? तो I will teach you something like that. So here also, suppose only one not electron, sorry, not photon, electron. Only one electron jumps by the lifetime delta t. Delta t इसका lifetime खत्म हो गया, ये इसने jump किया, ठीक है? It has given some photon. Now this photon has the energy h nu, which is exactly equal to E2 minus E1. Got it? Now when this photon will strike on this electron, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. Okay? So the photon from first electron jumps on or strikes on electron 2. Then electron 2 will come down, and there will be one photon that is original, the green one, and the another photon because of this second electron, which will be exactly same. They'll be twins. ठीक है, ये समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
कभी कभी नो भी बोला करो यार.
Yes, sir.
सबको समझ में आ गया? think. मुझे ये बताओ, the photon is generated here, it is going in this direction. How will it strike to 2? तो 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, नंबर इलेक्ट्रॉन 2 तो ऊपर है ना E2 में, कैसे स्ट्राइक करेगा? बताओ कैसे स्ट्राइक करेगा? स्ट्राइक कर सकता है कि नहीं कर सकता? वो तो ऊपर है ना, वो तो ऊपर है, फोटोन तो बीच में इसने बर्थ लिया है, इज बॉर्न इन बिटवीन दिस टू एनर्जी लेवल्स. यस, ऐसे क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में आने चाहिए. दिस y axis is not the space axis. Remember, this y axis is not space axis, it is energy. ठीक है? So what do you mean energy axis? For example, if you are in classroom, ठीक है, and if I say that tell me how many of you have more than 100 rupees at this moment in your pocket, so some of you will say yes, we have. Now if I ask how many of you don't have even 100 rupees, so as far as the money is concerned, at that moment somebody will be richer, somebody will be poorer, but all of them are sitting in the same plane, same level, right? That is how we are talking about these electrons at this moment. These electrons in material, in any material, what we are seeing the leasing system there, so all of them are here on the same level. Okay, so even if the photon is created here, it can go this way. Okay, it can go this way, it can go this way, in any direction, and then it will strike with the that particular atom or that particular electron. Are you able to see this diagram properly? So when this photon will strike, suppose to on this electron, then this will get excited. Sorry, de-excited. De-excited मतलब emission होगा, ये जो है ये emission होगा, ये 2 से नीचे आएगा. So for one electron we have only one photon, but for another electron we have 2 photons. Now these 2 photons can strike on number 3 and number 4. ठीक है, ये तो हम अप्रोक्सीमेशन ले रहे हैं कि ये लाइन में खड़े हैं. एक्चुअली ऐसा नहीं होता. we'll see how what happens actually, and then this number 3 and number 4 can come down. Now how many photons we will have in that case? अगर आपको समझ में आ गया है तो आप झट से बता सकते हैं. सिचुएशन ये है कि फर्स्ट क्या हुआ, जब एक इलेक्ट्रॉन, सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन है जंप, then what you get is one photon. Now this one photon has strike on electron number 2, and electron number 2 has not absorbed the photon, it has emitted extra photon. So we get 2 photons. Now if these 2 photons strike on electron number 3 and 4, how many photons do you expect?
More than 4 photons.
More than 4? More than 4 means how many? Because we are talking about discrete. So it is like 1 photon, 2 photon, 3 photon. It is not 3.14. Okay. There cannot be a fraction of photon. Usually you are talking something, but I can't hear. Please check your mic. Yes. Anybody else?
4 photons, sir.
4 photons. Okay. Any other answer?
8 or 9.
8 or 9? Okay. Any other answer?
Sir, 6 or 7.
6 or 7. Why, Nilad, you think that there will be 8 or 9? Why do you think that there will be 8 or 9?
So second number photon emits 2 photons.
Mm-hmm.
Third one will emits 2. Fourth one will do the same. So six photon in total, and then existing one.
Okay. Got it. How about somebody else? I think Gokul said something 6. Ayush said 6.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what's the logic behind it? Why 6?
Sir, same logics that Ninan say.
Okay. That is quite correct. At this stage, I'm just talking about at this stage. Okay. At this stage, we'll have, because of 1 photon striking on 3, we'll get 2 different photons. Okay. And then this is another photon striking on 4, we'll get this 2. So now you can see the logic that 1 photon has generated 2, 2 has generated 4, and 4 will generate. Yes,
8.
8. 8 will generate
16.
16. 16 will generate 32, and so on and so forth. So this is a game of 2048, right? पता है ना? खेला है कि नहीं? 2048 है कि 2048, right? निनाद?
No, sir.
खेला नहीं है?
Yes, sir.
अरे बहुत अच्छा
Yes,
गेम है, बहुत अच्छा गेम है. लेजर सिस्टम समझने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. नाउ
Which game, sir?
हाँ, 2048 गेम का नाम ही 2048 है. ठीक है. Now again coming back to this. Can you see the lasing system now? The animation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whenever the electron is in level 2, then it can come down by 2 ways, either spontaneously or stimulated. Okay. Stimulate and spontaneous, these are the 2 different actions or emission. Okay. Now suppose these photons are getting okay, let me show the beam now. Okay. Now these photons, now this is what the emission is. Okay. So from 2 to 1 it is coming down, so we can see the emission here, right? Now suppose we add another level here. Okay. Level number 3, and the lifetime of level 2 is much longer, lifetime of level 3 is much short, and we change this frequency so that now the electron will go to the level 3 and not level 2. Okay. And then from 3 to 2 they will pass on. And now you can see, of course we don't have enough time, so I'll just tell you in very short. What are the doublets you are seeing? दिख रहे हैं आपको? ट्विंस दिख रहे हैं? दो दो दिख रहे हैं?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये जुड़े हुए जो है ना, वो एक का दो हो गया, एक फोटोन का दो फोटोन हो गए, ठीक है। अब इनकी संख्या अगर हमें बढ़ानी है, simulated emission has to be more, you have to put something here and here so that it get reflected back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. Okay, so I just enable the mirror. अब क्या हो रहा है देखो, अब देखो कितने तेजी से वो बढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है। Now if now you can see here also below लेजर पावर जो दिख रहा है ना, इंटरनल पावर, तो लेजिंग आपको मिल रहा है, ठीक है। अब ये डेंजर में जा रहा है तो हम इसकी रिफ्लेक्टिविटी एक की कम कर देते हैं। नाउ व्हाट आर द लाइट इट इज कमिंग आउट हियर ऑन राइट हैंड साइड इज द लेजर। ओह I have blown up the laser. Okay, it is producing more power than it could handle. So this is dangerous. So I hope you have enjoyed introduction to laser. We'll go into details of it again. Okay. Any doubt? Any question? क्वेश्चन जो पूछेगा उसको मार्क्स मिलेंगे। आप सोचो, जितने ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हो उतना पूछ लो।
Sir, Bohr's theory has a limitation of one electron system. So does it apply here?
Yes, yes. We can apply here. We can apply here. One electron system जो है वो हम theoretically मान के चलते हैं, but actually there are n number of electrons that will that will happen to n number of electrons, n number of atoms at a time. Okay. लेकिन हम जैसे मान लो कि अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि सिविल स्टूडेंट जो है वो बहुत अच्छे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, does it mean everybody is asking question? No, some students are asking, so that is a sample. And एक दो लोग अगर क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो मतलब we can safely say that yes, civil students are very interactive, right? अगर कोई नहीं पूछता है तो इंटरेक्टिव नहीं है, ठीक है। इसी टाइप से हम एक एटम का एग्जांपल लेते हैं एंड वी जस्ट रेप्लिकेट इट टू ऑल द एटम्स, ठीक है। अगर मैं सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछ लो आपको कि अगर आपने राइस बनाया, ठीक है, अब ये राइस बन के तैयार है या नहीं है या कच्चा रह गया, ये आपको कैसे पता चलता है?
By taking out some grains for a sample.
तो मतलब मराठी में कहते हैं ना, पितावरून भाताची परीक्षा. Even if one grain is cooked, everything is cooked, right? So similarly, we talk about one atom first, and once the one atom is giving certain result, that means all the atoms are giving the same result. Okay? Of course, this is not so easy. मैं थोड़ा सा आपको easy बना के बता रहा हूँ, but it's not so easy. ठीक है? Okay, you can just switch on your camera. So let me take a picture. एक फोटो ले लेते हैं.